Yo guys, before we get started with today's video, hope y'all liked and subbed. Today we're gonna be playing Xbox game A Way Out. This is the part 2. Hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys liked and subbed, and see ya.
You, go to sleep.
Yes, sir. Just gonna take a leak.
What are you doing up this late?
Stop busting my balls, man. I'm not doing anything.
Go to bed, inmate.
I'm not tired. Leave me alone. Hey, guard.
What do you want?
Hey, Leo. Yeah, I'm done. All right, let's wait until the lights go out.
Lights out.
Listen. Ready? Yeah. Okay. It's disgusting. Leo, I need some help here. Finally, something to stop the fan with. Quickly, go through. Hold it! God damn it! Do you see a way to shut down the fan?
Need some help with the door. Get over here.
I can't. You gotta stop the fan first.
All right, it's shut down. Come on through. I can't do this alone. Get. It's a long way down.
Yeah.
We're gonna need something to get down there.
Yeah, we do.
Hold on. Over here. Check this out.
What are you thinking?
I'm thinking sheets.
All right, let me hear it.
Okay, we need to find a way into this room. Once we do that, we can get the sheets in here.
Sounds easy enough.
Problem is, they don't allow inmates in there.
You think we can sneak in somehow?
Yeah, but we're gonna need to get a hold of a laundry cart. Once we have the cart, one of us has to hide in it.
Then what?
The guard will inspect it and then bring it to the back room.
What do you mean they're gonna inspect it?
Don't worry about it, they don't look too hard. As long as we're covered in some sheets, we should be fine.
Okay. Hey.
Hey, man. I'm concentrating here. What do you want?
All right, I won't bother you then.
Well, that ship has sailed, hasn't it? What do you want?
So, when you're done here, where do all these sheets go?
Hell if I know. Go bother that guy instead.
This looks like a sweet gig.
What are you, an idiot? This sucks.
Come on. I'm pretty sure there are worse things to do in this dump.
Oh, yeah? I don't think so, man.
You know, I saw a guy cleaning the shower gutters. That has to be worse.
Oh, yeah? Well, at least you're not surrounded by assholes.
Is there something going on here?
Don't make me get into it, man. Just walk away.
First time I've seen someone smile in here.
Yeah, it's because I'll be a free man this week.
That's great.
It is.
Whoa, you don't have to get all whiny about it.
Does this look like...
So, how long have you been in for?
15 years, man. 15 fucking years. And in some weird way, I'll probably end up missing this place.
You mean this asshole?
Anyway, I'm sure you're gonna have a much better life out there.
Well, I'm not planning on ending up back in here, that's for sure.
Fair enough. So, how's the laundry business?
What business? I ain't doing any business.
Where's your sense of humor, man?
Hey, you trying to be smart with me?
You better quit that attitude before I use that iron for something other than the sheets, if you know what I mean.
Okay, I'm sorry, okay? I've been having a bad day because of that fucking asshole.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Sure, I get it.
Hey, get your own card.
Yeah, all right. Hey,
Hey.
I need a laundry cart.
Oh, can I have your number, please?
What do you need that for?
It's rules and regulations. Nothing I can do about it.
It's just a cart, man.
I need your name and number.
Yeah, nobody sees dirt like I do. Because dirt leads to germs, germs leads to disease, and disease
You sure I'm
leads
not
to
on the
death.
list?
What's your name again?
Leo. Look closer.
It's not here.
Get over here, you idiot. Now let's get that cart.
All right, let's cover you with sheets.
Damn, it smells like shit in here.
Shh, keep your voice down.
Sure, but it smells really bad, man, really bad.
Just suck it up and keep quiet.
Yeah. But still, the smell, man.
Shut up.
We need more sheets.
Leo, stay put in there.
Hurry, put in more sheets.
Okay, we're all set. Cover yourself.
Okay, see what we have here. All right, looks good. Get out of the way.
Okay, time to get rid of that guard now.
What are you doing? Get the hell back to work.
But can't you see there's a fight going on over there?
Where?
The people over there.
What? They're not fighting. Stop lying and get back to work.
Hey, you think it's okay, what he just said?
What'd he say?
He said something about your mother, and let me tell you, it wasn't pretty.
Hey, asshole. You talking shit about my mom?
I don't give a shit about
What the
your
fuck you say to me?
fucking mom.
Come on, get him up, come on, you little bitch.
What the hell? Break it up, guys. Stop. Enough. Get out of the way. Come on now. Get off each other. Stop.
There's the vent. Now we need to put the sheets into it. Hey, Vincent, give me some sheets.
On it. All right, that should do it.
Yeah, let's hope so.
Not a fan of heights?
Not really.
Let's hope these sheets will hold together then.
Well, what do you mean?
Well, it's sheets, not a rope. You never know.
Oh, shit. Ready to get down there?
Really? It's pitch black. We need a light.
Ah, fuck it. I'll go first.
You okay?
Yeah. We need a light, man. See if we can find some light.
Yeah.
Can't see. How the hell did you end up there?
I just slid down a bit to the left.
What? It was all dark.
That's why we needed some light, Leo.
Smart ass, huh?
I'm concerned you think lighting up a dark area is smart. Hey, the water's being drained. See if you can find an opening.
Oh, god damn it. This water smells like shit. Ah!
Well, it is shit.
Are you being funny now?
No, I'm just stating facts. You're wading in actual shit.
Fuck you, man.
It's locked.
Hey, Vincent. I need some light over here as well.
Another valve over here, Leo. Looks like that one stopped the water flow.
Vincent, hand me the flashlight.
It's locked. Ah, shit! It's locked.
Shit. This should work.
Get over here. Let's bust this up.
Let's just hope there are no rats down here.
Probably is.
Yeah, like I said, let's hope there aren't.
You're not scared of rats, are you?
Me? I'm not scared. It's just that, you know, whatever. They're disgusting.
Right.
Shit. Guard, up there. This way. Oh, fuck. It's too high, man. And nothing to climb on either.
Here, give me your arm.
What for?
Guess I've got an idea. Turn your back against mine.
Are you kidding me?
Just remember to push against my back.
It's never gonna work.
Relax.
It's too high, man.
I used to do this as a kid all the time.
You're nuts. Easy now. It'll be much quicker if we go together at the same time.
Hey, take it easy, man. Take it easy, I'm gonna fall.
All right, I'm waiting.
Relax, I'm falling here.
All right. Ah! Whoa, slow down.
Okay.
At last.
Afraid of heights?
Something like that. Are you fucking serious?
A wrench would be nice.
There's only one place you can get that, the workshop.
Yeah.
Damn it. I guess it's the same way down, right?
Yeah.
No childhood tricks up your sleeve?
Afraid not.
Shit.
I can't stand leaving a loose nail like this.
Hey,
That's bad. What do you want?
what do I want?
Yeah, what do you want?
I want you to turn down that attitude a little.
What attitude? I don't have an attitude.
We could use this hatch.
Looks like there's something behind that bin. This could be useful.
Hey, what are you up to?
Shit.
You! Don't move!
Here's this hatch. Looks like there's something behind that bin. This could be useful. The wrench ain't getting through that.
You know the drill. All right.
Get on the...
Hey. All right.
Wow. They actually fixed something around here. Hey, boys. There's a problem.
What is it?
Let me show you. Come on. Let me show you. It's over here.
What's going on?
There's some kind of a drug deal going on downstairs. You need to check it out.
Let's go.
All right, step aside. Let's go.
Let's go. Inside. Shake down! Up against the bars, inmate. Did you hear me? I said up against the bars.
Not here. Should hide it somewhere else. There's gotta be a better place to hide it.
All right, arms up. Back up against the bars. Sir, it's clean.
Hey, baby. You good?
God, I missed you.
I miss you too.
Linda, I got a plan to get out of here.
Good. What can I do?
Don't worry. I got someone helping me in here.
Who's that?
His name is Vincent. Seems legit.
Are you sure? I mean, we both thought we could trust Harvey.
But this guy wants to take him down as much as I do.
What? Why?
I don't know yet, but I'll find out.
Okay.
So, how's Alex?
Well, it's been 6 months. He misses his father.
Shit. I miss him, Linda. Has he found out?
No, listen. It's fine. He still thinks you're in Italy helping your uncle.
Good, good. Any trouble from Harvey?
Don't worry about that. He won't find us.
And you're sure?
Yeah, I got us a new place. We should be safe for now.
That son of a bitch.
Baby, listen. We'll get through this. We just have to stay
Hey,
focused.
why are you still waiting? Nobody's coming for you.
Maybe she just missed her bus. I'll wait some more.
No more visitors are coming in today. You want to make a phone call, or you want to go back to your cell?
I'd like to make a phone call, sir.
Let's go.
Yeah?
Carol, why aren't you here?
Because I'm at home, expecting our baby.
Please, we've talked about this.
No, you've talked about this. I didn't have a say at all. You're in prison.
I'm gonna be out soon.
Listen to yourself, Vincent. This isn't who you are. Is this how you want your future child to remember you?
No, but I need to take care of the Harvey situation. Carol, you know that he killed Gary. He was my family, my own brother.
I know you miss him, but you can't bring him back. You're just gonna get yourself killed.
Please, you know I have to do this.
I can't believe you, Vincent.
Hello? Hello?
Do you hear about the weather? There's a storm coming.
I did.
It's our window. We'll leave tonight.
I'm ready. You got the wrench?
Yeah.
Just don't drop it, okay?
Are you kidding me? You think I'll do this climb again?
Let's hope we don't have to.
There's nothing to hope for. It ain't happening.
Soon. It's not over until the fat lady sings.
Oh, she's gonna sing. Trust me.
I sure hope so.
I love taking your money. Betty okay? She's fine. Did you get your car fixed? Nah, not yet.
Vincent!
Freedom and weed.
Oh, shit. Damn. We gotta bust this door open. Okay, on three. 1,
2. Wait. Let's time it with the thunder. Okay, sure. It's working. Just a couple more like that.
How come you always get the aces?
Hey, Vincent. Yeah. See that tower? Yeah. That's where we're heading.
All right. Hey, watch out.
Shit. Over there, through the warden's office. Come on, over here. Real smooth. I hope nobody heard that.
There you go, buddy. Enjoy your freedom. Someone's there. We gotta be careful.
Did you see that Carson show last night?
Nah. Any good?
Great.
Who was on it?
Who?
Who were the guests?
I can't remember. I must be getting old.
You're not getting old. You're just drinking too much.
So what the hell were we talking about?
Carson.
Right. You see it?
I already told you. No.
Well, you should have. Great.
What the hell are you talking about? You're all mixed up.
There's the tower. Watch out for the light.
Shit. I need to get out of this. Shit. I need to get out of the searchlight.
Shit. Better avoid the searchlight.
We can use that wire. We just need something to slide down with.
Damn, that's pretty high.
They're shooting at us! Go, go, go! The fuckers are shooting to kill! Don't stop! Trust me, I've got no intention to stop.
Hey, I've been meaning to ask you something.
What's that?
Back in the prison, when we climbed that shaft, you know, the back-to-back thing?
Yeah? What about it?
Did you really do that when you were a kid?
No.
What?
I saw it in a comic book once, when I was a kid.
Tell me you're joking.
No. I'm just glad it worked.
Oh my God. I can't fucking believe you talked me into it.
Me neither.
Here. Come on. There. All right.
Shit. The chopper?
Yeah. Seems like we really pissed them off. They're using everything they've got.
We have to be careful. I'm not going back in.
Come on.
Oh, shit. Cops everywhere. We gotta watch out.
Yeah. We should be able to hide in these bushes.
These cops are dumber than a bag of wet potatoes.
Not yet.
Alright guys, that was the end of part 2. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in part 3.